Hey guys! So we haven't shown you the new apartment, but we're here obviously, leaving, going to a party out in Brooklyn. Yeah, a little gig my friend DJ Kai is throwing called Hard Fet. So a little big Queeribbéan party out in Brooklyn. It's a reason to get out of the house and away from all the boxes that we have piling up. So we're about to jump in this car and head on down to the party. Alright, see y'all. Hey guys! Hey. So we are here at the function.
We're here.
Cheers to that. $3 bill. Y'all can see it's.
As you guys can see,
it's litty.
Yeah. Kai just got off stage. She did her thing.
Big thing.
Shout out to Kai. She did her big one.
Yeah, so it's cute. It's packed in there. It's really hot. I'm gonna lie. Y'all gonna see clips, but it's a good time. So we're gonna finish these drinks, dance the night away, and you know what it is.
Okay, period.
Them niggas go to get what? And before the fire start, somebody running the shop.
I'm out here in Brooklyn. Cheers to y'all. So it's like an actual hotel. Yeah. Hey guys, we are in Lincoln Center. They have a little summer HD film festival thing going on.
You can probably hear it in the back.
Yeah. So we just came outside and we're gonna pop in and see what's going on.
Check it out. Here, you can probably see our girl.
You got it?
Alright y'all, we're gonna walk in, get a little closer, so see you in a second.
See you in a second.
Hey y'all, so we just left.
Yes.
It was long, very long opera, but it was cool. It's nice to see like events like that out here in this city to enjoy, and it's like a pretty summer night, like, come on.
It's not just a pretty summer night, it's a hot summer night.
Hot, it is a scorcher in the beginning of September. But it was cool, you know. Now we go home, shower, probably watch some TV, rest and relax, because back to business and more unpacking tomorrow.
Yeah.
Love to see it. R&B out. Good morning, y'all.
Hey, y'all. Good morning.
It's a beautiful, hot September, somewhat summer day here in New York City on the Upper West Side, our new little neighborhood.
Yes.
You see Central Park right here.
We're back in the city.
I know Brandon's excited.
So excited.
We're heading down to the gym right now. We got a new gym membership, so trying to get our workout in this morning before we run errands and do all the things we need to.
Yes.
So we'll catch y'all in a little bit and show you some of the sights.
Yay, Upper West Side, I'm here. Pinkberry. Hi guys, I'm just come back in from picking up a package downstairs. I'm super excited. It's from Sunday Fridays. I can tell they sent me a bunch of products because this box is pretty heavy. So I can't wait to show you guys what I got. Don't mind the mess in the background. We're still unpacking. We're still getting things together. So happy to be back in the Upper West Side. So let me see if I can prop this little gadget up and show you guys what I got. Yay, let's open this up. So I'm here by myself. Raul went to Williamsburg. He had to go to a meeting with his job. And I wish he was here to open this up with me, but we have to do it alone, okay, today? So, yay! Look at all of this stuff. They sent me. Okay, so this is the Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. Can't wait to try this. I only tried a few of their products, so I'm excited to like at least try all these things out because now I'm getting big on my skincare. I'm trying to get my skin back together because it's been crazy. Every time I like travel and stuff, it just goes berserk. Or even before I travel, because I stress myself out about what I should wear and all this stuff. So hopefully you guys get me together Sunday, Fridays. Oh my god, so this is the Midnight Ritual Retinol Renewal Serum. Love that. Love a retinol. And this is the Deep Hydration Serum. Woo. Love that. It's still hot in New York, so we need that for sure. The Jet Lag Mask. This is something that everyone's obsessed with. This is what I used to use. This is why I fell in love with Summer Fridays, because I'm obsessed with this product. They also sent me some CC Me Vitamin C Serum. We love serum. We love a vitamin C. Perfect. Can't wait to try this. I heard good things about this as well. Also, this is the all-in-one face oil. Can't wait to try this too. Especially at night, I'm like super excited for this. I want to try this, and I love to have my face like oiled up at night, so can't wait for her. And they sent me the sheer skin tint. Hopefully this is my shade, because I always wanted to try this too, because I don't like wearing foundation and everything. If I do, I want it to be like super light, and I heard so many good things about this. I seen like Jackie Anna use this too, so I'm excited to try this. And let's see. It looks like my color. I got a bit tan because of the vacation. I'm still like dark, honestly. I'm still like tan, super tan, but it blends in pretty well, if you can see. So it might be my shade. It might work out, and I'll be wearing this Summer Friday sheer skin tint. So guys, look at all these products. I'm so excited. Thank you, Summer Fridays, for sending me out this care package, and I can't wait to give it a try and shout you guys out on my next video when I do my skincare routine.
Hey y'all!
Hey!
We're in the elevator going to a little mixer for my improv program. So it's rainy, it's ugly, we're about to run in because we're late.
Yeah, we're late. Very late. Of course he's getting snacks when he shouldn't be around chit-chatting with everyone. This is his improv meetup. I'm here for the supports. Okay, I think that was 10.
Hey y'all!
Hey guys!
So we just finished the improv mixer. It was cool, but it was way more social than but that's okay. That's why I bring them around.
I was in there chit-chatting with everyone like I was at the cookout, child.
It was cool though. Everybody was really nice. And then there's like a jam, which is like a practice session that we're going to on Sunday too, right?
Yeah.
So supportive. But now we came out to this little like cake pop little shop.
Posh. It's called Posh. It's in, I think it's like West Village. West Village, like Soho area. I don't know, but it's in between those two.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's super cute.
So we wanted a little dessert because we already had dinner at home.
Yeah.
And to celebrate being out on a Friday night. So just got a little piece of cake.
Yeah. This is the white chocolate red velvet cheesecake. I can't wait to dive in and try this.
Okay, we're gonna dig in, baby. Good. Tasty.
It's too good.
But that's if you do just do that.
Place is pretty cool down there. Well, I said that place is pretty cool down there.
Comedy shop.
On the way down, I had an umbrella the whole time.
Hey guys.
Hey y'all.
Another day in the city. We are out here because no, we are not traveling. We are selling stuff at the thrift store.
Yeah.
From the move, we realized we had way too much stuff.
Way too much stuff. Some stuff gotta go, guys. If you want to go get some of the stuff that I had, go check out Buffalo and 2nd Street and Chelsea. You can find some of those things.
Literally, we have to get rid of so much stuff. This is just our first trip, so we figured today would be a good day just to knock it out. But the stores are packed and we're trying to sell it all. But I got my little chunk of change for this stuff that I had here, and now we're going to 2nd Street where Brandon had a bunch of stuff. So hopefully we meet up some friends for some drinks because it is Saturday and it's a good day to day drink, right babe?
That's right.
Okay.
And it's fashion week too, so I ain't trying to go too crazy because next week's the busy schedule, and I'm gonna take it light today.
Oh my god, you already know. So we about to go into the store, so we'll see y'all in a little bit. Got rainier. We finally came back from thrifting, and now we're gonna get some grub because someone's hungry.
I'm not hungry, I'm starving. We didn't eat anything today, but of course French toast again, so that's all we had.
There's no food in the house and we have to go grocery shopping. But we're gonna get some croquette or some charcuterie, a little drink, and then figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day because it's pretty ugly, but cute restaurant, check it out. Hella social, so let's see what it's hitting on.
Cheers! That goes my lychee martini.
Hey guys, so we're just about to get to the theater so we can do my improv jam to practice my improv skills. So come on.
We're on the way. It is here at under St. Mark's. So let's just get to it.
I hope he doesn't meet her because he is an asshole. Can we cut to the
Yeah, I'm trying to escape your bitch mom. You know how she is. Well, that's alright.
Well, I feel like I'm close. I feel
And
like
do we like the voice? Like, I feel like it's my therapist voice, so should I do more of that or less of that?
I want more of that. That's funny.
I think so. We want more of that. This is great. Now, the only thing that you have is that you're not wearing Angelica's outfit. Because remember, we said you want to mimic the patient to make them feel seen.
But her outfit's trash.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. We're out having margaritas at Taqueria in St. Mark's Place. And you know we had to stop like at a cocktail because Dave just left at the improv like class. What is it called? A jam. We left the jam. It was a lot of fun. We have a little clips that he did his little set with some new people. You guys can check it out.